Hello, mayong adlaw, mayong hapon mga ka-friendship, mayong gabi, mayong buntag, kung asa man na panig ng mundo kayo nakatira ngayon o naruroon man. Andito ulit si Nanay Del. It's been a long time na hindi po kami nag-upload ng video sa aming channel. Okay, anyways, I don't have to explain. Dahil kung i-explain ako today, aabutan tayo ng ilang years bago matapos. But anyway, I decided to make a video rather, okay, for today, simply because meron akong bagong embento na ulam. I really don't know kung sakaling nagawa na po ito ng iba, but for me, for us, this is our first time. Anyway, andito ako ngayon sa pinaka magandang pwesto sa aming bahay, the same as usual, our kusina. Dahil si Nanay Del mahilig magluto, kahit medyo, ano na, kapoy na sa katinda, hindi naman sa katinda, ano lang, mga, ay, ano ba tawag noon is may mga tsamba-tsamba na mga orders, ganon, ha? Pero still kicking and alive, and of course, enjoy lang sa buhay, ganon talaga, kung hindi ka lumaban, mahina ka. So, wag na nating patagalin. Andito po yung luto ni Nanay, and this is our first time also na magluto sa rice cooker simply because under repair yung aming kalan. Ano ba tawag noon? Electric stove. Okay, nagkaroon po tayo ng problema doon sa ating lutuan. So, I decided na magluto po dito sa rice cooker sa magiging ulam namin this lunch. Anyway, this is already a late rather, okay? Lunch for us. Late kaming nagising, late kami nag-agahan, late din kaming mananghalian. But anyway, ito na po. So there you go, my friendship. The first recipe for our newly invented ulam for this lunch is the cabbage. Okay, after the cabbage, here is our Century tuna. Hindi ko po ito ina-advertise. Ito lang po yung napili naming pang-protein dito sa ulam namin. And I hope we come up for a very delicious and nutritious viand for this lunch. There you go. So we simply add this Century tuna. Omega 3. Ayan. So sa mga may sakit ang tuhod, suggested ko itong Century tuna sa inyo. High-end fish oil yan, omega 3. Ayan, and after that, after adding, of course, the Century tuna or the tuna, I have here also the garbanzos, the chickpeas. You just simply add all those ingredients. And the last one is the green peas from Prime. Actually, mga ka-friendship, mas like ko. Okay, I'm sorry for the rum brand. I really love to use garbanzos from Prime. Mega Prime quality. Masarap yung garbanzos nila, yung chickpeas nila. Compare sa rum. Okay, sa akin lang yon, but I don't know for the others or using fan of using rum products or brand, okay? But for me, I choose to love or I choose to use Mega Prime quality brand. Kasi quality talaga siya. There you go. Wala na tayong maraming sasabihin pa. Let's add the green peas from Mega Prime. Okay, after adding all those ingredients, then we just simply mix that one. Allow it to simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the black pepper, and if you want to add any or a lot of condiments, there you go, bahala kayo. Kayo na po yung mag-decide. Okay, it's up to you rather na mag-decide kung anong mga condiments pa i-add sa recipe na to. But for me, I simply add black pepper, and that's it. It's good to go. Okay, so let's wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. And after that, let's check again. And I think after 4 minutes, we're good to go and ready to eat na. Okay, so stay on the line. Okay, so there you go, our black pepper. A medium amount of black pepper is added. And of course, we have to mix that one again and allow it again to simmer for just a minute.
Some minutes later.
So there you go, my friendship. The finished product. The finished product of our recipe for today. The most delicious, nutritious invented viand rather, this lunch. Tuna flakes with cabbage and of course chickpeas and green peas from Mommy D. So, mga ka-kids, parang kids din ako, no? Okay? So, medyo hindi na si Mommy ngayong bubbly simply because medyo matagal na rin na hindi si Mommy dahil naka-vlog. But anyway, trying hard to compose myself. Anyway, there you go. I'm done cooking with a delicious and nutritious viand for this lunch. So, see you next time mga ka-friendship. I hope na may matutunan kayo kahit hindi masyado pong detail yung pagkaluto natin, pagpakita sa inyo on how I cook this newly invented recipe for today. But anyway, thank you so much and God bless us all. See you in our next vlog. Bye for now!